Adam here from Next Stage Injury Therapy. We're on episode 3 of our 5-part series with massage guns, and now we're going to be looking at lower back pain. Let's go. For our first exercise for lower back pain, we're going to run through the welds, which is in the lower back. We're going to use the air cushioned head, and we're going to run through it for about 30 seconds. So we're going to use the air cushioned head, and we're going to run from the top of the tailbone up to the last rib. So Sarah, if you can stick that on 7-3 for me, please. And start around here at the top of the tailbone, and we're just going to run up, not onto the ribs, but just below the last rib. So what can happen with lower back pain is you can get a hip hike, which is one hip higher than the other, and the QL can get cramped up. This will help alleviate any discomfort in the area. We're going to run through this for 30 seconds, up and down. Worked on the QL, now we're going to work on the TFL, which is a lateral hip stabilizer. We're going to use the small ball and we're going to get into it. So using the small ball, we're going to get into the TFL, the hip stabilizer. This is just above the IT band, so you want to concentrate on the big thick piece of muscle that's here. So I'm going to get Sarah to stick that on 7-3, and if she can find the TFL that's here, and just work in and around it for around 30 seconds. This is going to help loosen the pelvis and alleviate the pain on the lower back. So we've worked through the QL and we've worked through the TFL for lower back pain, and now we're going to take the glutes as a whole group, max, min and mid. We're going to use the flat head, and we're going to spend about 2 minutes in there just breaking up any restrictions that's in the glutes that might be causing any pain. So Sarah's going to find a table or chair that's stable, going to bring her leg up, and we're going to take the glute as a whole. Using the flat head, Sarah's going to stick it onto 7-3, please Sarah. Now we're going to spend about 2 minutes just breaking up any restriction that's in the glutes. So just all around, and again, it's a big group of muscle, so you can spend as much time here or apply as much pressure as needed. This is going to help stop the pull on the lower back and the hamstrings, which can cause lower back pain. So we've given you 3 excellent exercises to use the massage gun on lower back discomfort and pain. We've run through the glutes, the QL and the TFL. If any pain persists or is painful while using it, please seek medical advice. See you in the next exercise.